Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am just gonna get straight to it. So if you have a 2015 EcoBoost Mustang and you're having trouble with your reverse light, your door latch isn't working, so I'll show you what I mean by that. So if you close this, you push this button and it's not working. They're all tied to the same system, so your reverse light, that latch, your latch will still open with the fob, just not with that button. And also, if you are getting the rear park, if your car comes equipped with the rear parking aids, you'll be getting a message on the dashboard saying rear parking aid fault. So if you're having all those issues, first thing you need to do is you need to check fuse 6. Let's pop the hood, check fuse 6. Should be this one right here, 50 amps. Make sure it's good. If that's good, first thing I started with was checking voltage to the reverse light. Like I said, the only thing I was aiming to fix today was the reverse light not working. You know, it's aftermarket, so I figured something was up, but I did not know what I was gonna find. So, check voltage to the harness. You should get 12 volts when it's working. And if that's not working, then your issue is the PCM. I believe that's what it's called, the PCM. The issue with mine was there's a harness. I'll show you. Let's see if I can get the camera down here. This harness right here by the exhaust. I don't know what. Okay, let me see. Good focus. Yeah, this harness. I don't know why, but it was loose. I think the clip is broken on mine, actually. So, just over time, it must have came loose. So, that connection made all those three things: the reverse light, the parking sensors, and the door latch not work. So, there you go. Check those things. Now I am gonna see what the hell is going on with my reverse light and try to fix it. Probably gonna solder the connection. Looks like previous person just tapped onto this. I don't know why the aftermarket light didn't come with the harness, but yeah, probably just solder those cables together. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, there it is. As you can tell, sensors are working and rear parking aid is now showing up on the dashboard. I have it in reverse. As you can see, the reverse light came on. Yeah, it's pretty